Hello and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll do factorization of trinomial. This type of question most of the time you get in exam. So what is trinomial? An algebraic expression consisting of three terms is called as a trinomial. So mainly in your syllabus is your quadratic expression. X square plus bx plus c. The power should be 2. For example, y square plus 7y minus 18, 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So to solve this type of quadratic expression, there is some rule. So x square plus bx plus c. So we'll use magic cross method to solve this type of question. So first step, we'll split this b into two real parts such that their sum will be b and their product should come ac. Then after that, we'll factorize by grouping method. You'll be more clear while solving the example. So without further delay, let's start today's class. Here we have factorization of trinomial. So what does trinomial means? You know that there are three terms are there. Yeah, three terms means it will be trinomial. And to factorize this, it has to be in quadratic form. Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so you can see here square is there plus bx plus c. Okay, so instead of x there is y. That's your variable, so it's in that form. So this type of question will solve by splitting the middle term. We'll split this 7 in two parts, so that's called as splitting the middle term or breaking the middle term. So this simple we can write y square plus this 7 will break in two parts like this, and this y will come this side and minus 18. So we are splitting this in two parts. I have made this video in breaking the middle term. The link will be given in the description. You can go through that also. Okay, now what happens is that the first step what you have to do is, you can see here what you have minus. So this minus, if it will be plus in middle also it will be plus, if it is minus in middle also it will be minus. So this has to come minus. Okay, now what you will do is that now this 18 you will multiply to this front, whatever is there. So here is nothing means always there is 1. So what will be the multiplication? 18 ones are 18. So I have to do the LCM of 18. 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, now we have to use the magic cross rule. So we'll make a cross. We can see that will be magic. This 18 has to be here, and after subtracting, what should I get? 7. Okay, now we'll do 3 3s are 9 and 2, 9 and 2. Now you can see 9 2s are 18. You have to multiply and you should get of this 9 minus 2 7. Why minus? Because this side is minus. If it would be plus, after plus we should get this. Hope you agree with this. So it's magic. You can see 9 2s are 18, 9 minus 2 7. So it get matched. So we'll write 9 and 2. Always you have to write the bigger number front. Okay, now this will be your y square plus 9 into y, 9y plus minus 2y minus 18. What you have to do is that we have to take common from this two. So you can see y square means y 2 times is there, y, so I can take y common. So what will be inside? Y plus, because y 2 were there, so 1 I have taken out, so 1 left. Y already I have taken out, so what left over there? 9. Okay, now you can see 2, this side 2 9s 18, so I can take minus 2 common. So when I will take minus 2 common, you think that you are dividing, so this will be y, so this minus will be plus. Already I have discussed in my previous video. What happens is that this c minus plus is minus. Okay, so now you will divide 2 9s, so I got this. So and always these two has to come same. These two are same, that means our process is right. So in these two we'll write single common y plus 9, and this will write in another bracket, so y minus 2. So this is your factorize and this is your final answer. Hope so you are clear with this. Okay, I'll show you this common. So what you have this side, minus 2y minus 18. Okay, so this I can write minus 2y minus, can I write like this, 2 and 9, 2 9s are 18. Yeah, so you can see what is matching is this, minus 2 is there, this side also minus 2. So when I'll take minus 2 common, y, this minus will change to plus, this 2 already I have taken out, minus 2, so what left over? 9. Okay, so y plus 9. So this type of question, if it will come in the form of this ax square plus bx plus c, you have to do splitting the middle term, or we call it as breaking the middle term also. Hope so you are clear with this. Now you'll be more clear while solving another question. In this question you can see that what you have, x square minus 8x plus 7. So it's trinomial and it's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now what we can do, obviously you know that we have to break this 8 in two parts. So x square minus, so 8 I am breaking like this, okay, and this x will come this side, and plus 7. Hope so you are clear. So what we have sign here, plus, so in the middle also there has to be plus. Now what you have to do in the next step, this 7 has to multiply to the front. So nothing front is, there is always 1. So that's 7 ones are, what I'll get, 7. So I have to do the LCM, 7 ones are 7. So I'll get the 7 only because it's a prime number. Now what you have to use, as you know, that is your magic cross rule. So magic cross method. So what you will do, now this 7 will come up and this 8 has to come down. So after multiplying I should get 7, and after adding I should get 8 because addition is there. So can I write like this, 7 and 1, 7 into 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Hope so you're clear with this. Now I can write 7 and 1. So this will be your x square minus 7 into x, 7x, minus plus minus 1 into x, 1x, plus 7. Now we have to take common from this 2 and this 2. Yeah, already we have done in my previous class. Yeah, that what happened is that pairing up. So now the common will be x, obviously. So what will be this, x minus 7. So in this 2 there is no common, but always there is 1. So 1 is matching, so I can take 1 common. So x, now since you can see minus is taken out, that means the plus opposite will be minus. Why? You know minus is plus. So I got this. And you can know this directly also, because this side is x minus 7, so this side also has to come x minus 7, because this 2 has to be same. Now instead this 2 same, that means our process is right, so we will write single x minus 7 common. Now this and this in another bracket, x minus 1. So we got the factor, 2 factors are there. And remember that there are 2 quadratic, yeah, so there will be 2 factors will be there. Hope so you're clear with this. Now let's solve another question. So here you can see what you have. Obviously it's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is also splitting of middle term. So what you can do, 6x square. So this 11 will break into 2 parts like this, x minus 10. So can you say me what will be in this sign? Since there is minus, so it will be minus. Now I hope so you all have been perfect with this. Yeah. So now what we can do here is that this 10 has to be multiplied to this. So 10 6 are, what will be 60. So now I have to do LCM. 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. Now what you have to make? You have to make a cross. So big cross. Now this, what you have to be 60, it has to come this side. After subtracting is how much is there? 11. Okay, so can I do like this? 5 3s are 15 and 4. So this will be, I can write 15 and 4. So you can see 15 4s are 60, 15 minus 4 11. So it's your magic. Yeah, 15 4s are 60, 15 minus 4 11. So I can write this as 15 and this will be a 4. Now this I can do 6x square plus 15x plus minus minus, so 4 into x, 4x minus 10. Okay, now what do you have to do? I have to take common from this 2. So what will be common from this 2? Obviously it will be 3x, so it will be x plus 5. Can you do? Okay, I'll show you in rough. So what you have here, 6x square plus 15x. So 6 I can write 2 into 3. X square means x into x, plus 15 is 3 5x. So what is matching? You can see 3x is matching here. So you can see 3 and x. So I am taking out 3x. So what is left over? 2x and plus what is left over here is 5. So what I got, 3x common, so this will be a 2x. Yeah, and you can think of dividing also. 3 2s are 3 5s are. Okay, now similarly what will be here common? So this side it will be common, will be 2, so this will, I can write 2x plus 5. Okay, I'll show you this also in rough. So what you have, minus 4x minus 10. So what can I do this? Minus, I can write 4 2 into 2, x minus 10, I can write 2 into 5. So what you can see here common is 2 2 is matching. So I can take 2 outside. Since there is minus, so minus will come outside, so 2x, so this minus will change whenever minus will take outside, so it will be plus 5. Also I clear with this, because minus plus is minus, so minus 2. Now already I have told you that this 2 has to come same, so it's same only. So what will be this? This I can write 2x plus 5, and this in another bracket, 3x minus 2. Okay, so hope so you are clear with this. So we got the, already I have told you quadratic means 2 degrees there, that means there will be 2 factors we will get. So now let's solve another question. So in this question you can see what you have, 5x square plus 17xy minus 12y square. This is also in the form of quadratic only. Okay, so what you can do here, obviously splitting the middle term or breaking the middle term, plus 17 will break into 2 parts like this, xy minus 12y square. Now I hope so you are clear. What will be sign here? Since it's minus, so the sign will be here also minus. Now what you have to do next step, only the number you have to multiply, 12 and 5. So 12 5s are, what will be the LCM? 12 5s are 60. So 12 5s are 60. Now we have to do the LCM. So this will be a 2 30s are 2 15s are 3 5s are 5 1s are. Now we have to make a cross, magic cross method. Yeah, so this will be a 60. After subtracting how much I should get? 17. So now you have to match that way. So if I'll do like this, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 and 3, 20 3s are 60, yes or no? 20 minus 3, 17. So magic. So this I can write 20 and 3. Always the bigger number has to be in front. Now this will be a 5x square plus 20 into xy, 20 xy plus minus 3 xy minus 12y square. Now what you have to do? We have to take common. So 5x will be common. So you'll think of dividing. So x. So 5 4s are 20. Yeah, 4s are 20. X already gone. So what left over? Y. Okay. Now minus 3. Minus 3 and y is also there. Yeah, y is also matching. So minus 3y. That means what is left over? X. Obviously this has to come same. So minus is already taken out. This minus will change to plus. And now what will be? 3 4s are 12. So 4y. Okay. So now these two are same. That means our process is right. So now instead of this 2 we'll write single x plus 4y and this in another bracket, so it will be 5x minus 3y. So this is my final answer. So in this question what you can see is that they had given 8 row form, but I have told you that quadratic form is ax square plus bx plus c. It has to be in this expression. There has to be square, but there is no square. So can I change this in square? So let's change first in square. Can I write like this? A square 2 to the power square, because 2 to the 4, minus 11 a square plus 10. Hope so you are clear with this. Now what you will do? Now we will take let x equals to a square. So instead of a square I can write x. Now this has been changed to, now a square will be x square minus 11x plus 10. Now it's in this form. Yeah, now you can, I think so you can solve this easily. Yeah, now what will be? Now splitting the middle term. So x square minus 11 will break into 2 parts, x plus 10. So what will be in middle sign? Since it is plus, so it will be plus a. Now as you know, what you have to do? Now this 10 has to be multiplied in front. So what do you have in front? 1, 10 ones are 10. So obviously we have to do the LCM of this. 2 5s are 5 1s are Okay, now we have to make a cross. So after multiplying, it should get how much? 10. And after adding, how much it should get? 11. So can you say me what will be? 5 2s are 10. So it will be obviously 10 and 1. So magic, you can see 10 1s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So what can I write this? 10 and 1. So this will be your x square minus 10 into x, 10x, minus plus minus 1x plus 10. Now I have to take common, so obviously the common will be x. This will be x minus 10. What will be common? No common means always there is 1. Already I have told you, minus 1. So this sign minus, when it will come out, this plus will change to minus 10. So as you can see, these two are same. That means our process is right. Now instead of this 2, we'll write a single x minus 10, and instead of this 2, we'll write this x minus 1. So common x minus 10. So what is left over? X minus. So this is it. This is my final answer? No. Why? Because our answer has to be in a, because in quotient. So instead of x, I can write a square. So instead of x, I am writing a square minus 10. So this will be your a square minus 1. Now what you can do here? So in exam, if you will do till here also, you will get marks. Okay. Now one step, a square minus 10. So now you can see 1 square. So what we have here is that we got a square minus 1. Can I write like this? A square minus 1 square. So we know the formula for this. A square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b. The formula is a plus b, a minus b. So what is my a? A is a only. A plus b. Instead of b, what you have? 1. So this will be your a minus 1. Okay. So what can I write? Directly this I can write a plus 1, and this will be your a minus 1. So this is my final answer. Hope you are clear with this. Now let's solve another question. If you'll see this question, you can see this is looking complicated, yeah. But what happened is that its square is there, so we have to form non-square there. So how to do this? So first we will make in the standard form. So what is the standard form? As you know that ax square plus bx plus c. This is your standard form. So first let's make it standard form. So what we can do is here is that minus 2 I can take common. So if I'll take minus 2 common, what will be this side? A plus b. Why plus? Because minus we are taking outside. So minus plus is minus. So always it has to come opposite. So minus 3. So this will be your a plus b whole square. Now in this type of question, what happens is that this 2 has to come same. And what you'll do? We'll take let. So we'll take let as let a plus b, will take it as x. Okay, so we are taking a plus b equals to x. So what we will get now by putting the value? So this 1 minus 2, a plus b is x minus 3x square. Hope so you are clear with this. But still this is not in standard form. This has to come front. So what will be this? Minus 3x square. Just we are changing the place. Okay, minus 2x. This is your plus 1. So don't get confused that when I bring this side it will be plus. Okay, this is not we are bringing from the equals to sign. Just we are changing the place. Simple like this. Suppose I have 2 plus 7 minus 3. Okay, if it is like this, just we are changing the place. We can write this minus 3 plus 7 and plus 2. Okay, simple we are changing the place only. In there only. In my this side only. It's not, we are not bringing from the equals to sign. So it will be this. Now it has come in the standard form. Now we have to do break the middle term, minus 3. So what will be this? X square. So this minus 2 will break into 2 half, x plus 1. Now in this what happens is that slightly you will have confusion. Now what you will do is that now you can see it's minus 3. Okay, we have to check the minus 3 also, and what you have this side is minus 1. So this you will multiply to this front. So what I'll get? So plus into minus is minus. So this side it will be minus sign will be there. Okay. So 3 1s are 3. Now you will do the LCM of this. 2. No, it will go by 3 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. So now we have to make a cross. So how much it should come? After multiplying it should come 3, and after subtracting it should come 2. So obviously it's easy only. 3 and 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, since this, don't get confused, since this side was minus, so because of that this will be minus. Okay, now this we can do minus this, I can write 3x square. So what will be this? 3 and 1. So minus 3 into x minus 3x minus minus plus 1x plus 1. Now we have to take common in this 2. So what will be common? Minus 3x will be common. So this will be your x plus 1. So what will be common? No common. No common means always there will be 1. So plus 1 means no sign will change. So I got this. So now what can I do here? So these two are same, that means our process is right. So we'll write x plus 1 and this in another bracket. So minus 3x plus 1. Now what you have to do? We have to put the value of x, because this our answer is a and b. So what is the value of x? X is a plus b. So we'll write a plus b plus 1. This side also will put the value minus 3. What is the value of x? A plus b plus 1. Now just multiply this. I'll get a plus b plus 1. So when I multiply this, minus 3a minus 3b, minus plus is minus 3b plus 1. So this is my final answer. In book answer it can be jumbled also. Okay, so doesn't matter. This is your final answer. Hope so you have done this. Yeah, you can do at rough also if you are getting confused. 3x square, what here? Minus 3x. So this I can write minus 3. X square means x into x minus 3x. So what is matching? 3x and 3x. So when I'll take 3x common, so minus will come. So x, this minus will be plus 1. Okay, so minus 3x, x plus 1. Hello students, hope so you are clear with this. To be crystal clear, obviously you have to practice nicely. And if you have any doubt, please feel to comment us. So to support me, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.